Dear students, welcome to the classes of Biomedical Engineering in the 5th semester, Electronics and Communication Engineering. First of all, we have to know what is biomedical engineering. A simple definition, a biomedical engineering is the confluence of engineering, technology and biological sciences to improve the quality of healthcare, medicine and human life. The first sentence, a sentence like this, the confluence. Confluence means the merging. That is the merging of engineering, technology and the biological science. For example, if we will go to a hospital and take an MRI scan or a CT scan or take an ECG, or in every supermarket or in any other shop, we have to see the contactless thermometer to know the correct reading of fever. These all are the main applications, simple applications of a biomedical engineering. In the hospital or any other field, we have to see in every corner, we have to see the application of the engineering in the medical field. The second definition, biomedical engineering is the application of engineering principles and design concepts to medicine and biology. That is to apply the engineering principles to the medical field. That is the biomedical engineering. Third point is the biomedical engineers and scientists are responsible for developing, designing and improving medical devices and procedures for efficient diagnosis. That is for efficient diagnosis. That is, we have to know the CT scan or MRI scan, or a full body MRI scan, or take an ECG, EEG, etc. and many other diagnoses. We have to know the correct method or the correct result from this biomedical equipments. That is the efficient diagnosis, operation and treatment of diseases and other health ailments. It is a highly interdisciplinary field. There are many fields in the biomedical. The few subdisciplines are tissue engineering, biomaterials, biomechanics, biomedical imaging. You have to know many other field. Biomechanics, biomaterial, cell and tissue engineering, medical imaging and image processing. You have to just note down these theory points and read this point very clearly. Next is the physiological systems in human body. The human physiology is study of body and its functions. That is, every organ has its own functions in each of the different systems in any living body. There are 11 systems in the body: the skeletal system, the muscular system, the nervous system, endocrine system, the cardiovascular system, respiratory system, digestive system, urinary system, reproductive system, the integumentary system, the lymphatic and immune system. Some of these systems are you already studied in the plus 2 classes. But in the biomedical engineering, our first topic in the syllabus is the physiological systems in the human body. When a question will ask like this, write down the physical system in the human body. You just first you draw the figure of any system and you write down the main theory points. That is the main part. The first system is the cardiovascular system. You already know the cardiovascular means it is all about the heart. First point can be viewed as closed hydraulic system with 4-chamber pump. So you have to know what about the hydraulic system. In the hydraulic system means it relating to a liquid moving in a confined space under pressure. In the liquid means the blood is moving very in a confined space inside our heart. Heart is mainly used for transportation of oxygen, carbon dioxide, numerous chemical compounds and the blood vessel to all of the body. That is, it pump blood to the body vessels. It is contained flexible tubes. Pump is an isolated two-stage synchronized chamber. That is, you just see the left figure, the left atrium or left auricle, then below the left ventricle, then the right atrium or the right auricle, then the right ventricle. The red signal represents the pure blood and the blue signal represents the impure blood. That is, the first stage is to collect blood from the system and pump it into second stage. The first stage means the collect blood, that is the from the body collect the impure blood and to pass through the lungs. Then the lungs is make the oxygenated blood and it pass through the other parts of the body. The second stage then pump these blood to the system, that is the blood is first pass through the heart, then to the lungs, it purify it, and then it again pass through the heart and it pass through the other parts of the body. Then the structure of the heart wall consists of three layers: pericardium, myocardium, and endocardium. Pericardium is the outermost layer, keeps outer surface moist, it prevents friction when moves, that is the heart pumps. Next is the myocardium, it is the middle layer. Third is the endocardium, it is the inner layer of heart. One of the two-stage pump right side collect fluid from the system and pump it through oxygenation system. That is, in this figure, I already told that the red signal represents oxygenated blood. That is this blood pass through the body and it is become impure blood. This impure blood is passed through right auricle, the right ventricle, and then it pass through the lungs. Then is a one of the two-stage pump right side to collect fluid from the system means body, and pump it through oxygenation systems. Other side pump receives blood from oxygenated system lungs and pump blood to main hydraulic system. We have to know the blood act as a communication and a supply network to all parts of the body. That is, the blood transmits the nutrients and other energies to the all cells and all parts of the body. The blood is carried out to the various parts of the body through blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels. Arteries is very thick, it carries oxygenated blood. Veins is very thin and it carry deoxygenated blood. Capillaries, it is smallest last level blood vessels. That is, our body contain 8 lakh kilometer of capillaries. Heart pumps blood through the pulmonary circulation to the lungs and through the system circulation to the other parts of the body. Then is the pulmonary circulation, and second is the systemic circulation. In pulmonary circulation, venous blood, that is the deoxygenated blood, flows from right ventricle through pulmonary artery to the lungs. You just know the left side figure. That is, in pulmonary circulation, venous blood is the impure blood. Impure blood is flows from right ventricle through pulmonary artery to the lungs. The arterial blood flows to left atrium through pulmonary veins. Then is the systemic circulation. In systemic circulation, blood flows from left auricle to left ventricle and it pumps to aorta and its other branches. So when a question will ask like this, write down the cardiovascular system in the human physiology. First you have to draw the structure of the heart. You just write down, you just draw the structure of the heart and mark the basic points, basic parts. Then the blood circulation figure on the left side. Then you have to write down the basic theory parts. Okay, thank you.